Hello Amazons, it's me, and September's birthstone is Sapphire. Happy birthday, September babies. Let's just jump right on in. So this is a ring, a sapphire ring, and I will be showing you a matching necklace. This was a gift. These are Opeg Midnight Blue sapphires. Not my favorite, but again, this set was a gift from a family member because it's my birthstone. So yeah, sapphire is a very, very popular stone, and I have to admit it's not necessarily my favorite, but it is my birthstone. So yeah, here's one that I bought for myself. I thought it was unique because the sapphires are set in rose gold. So I'm very particular about sapphires, which is why I'm not too fond of the birthstone, because what's on the market usually isn't good. And in this video, you will see expensive and inexpensive. Like, these are very inexpensive. Like, they're technically sapphires, but I'm sure they were dyed. These were also a gift, and they are also set in rose gold. So yeah, the quality on sapphires can be like AAA, which is like a fortune, all the way down to this, which is like barely suitable for jewelry. So that's why I'm picky about sapphires, because usually what I see in the market is not what I like, and what I like is very expensive. So yeah, and then blue isn't my favorite color. But here's a bracelet, and this one is a lab-grown sapphire bracelet. So in this video, you will see inexpensive stones, expensive stones, some in the middle. And let me tell you, the lab-grown sapphires are not cheap. In my collection, I have a lot of September birthstone alternatives. I prefer iolite and kyanite, which are not in this video, but and I like tanzanite. But for this video, I purely picked sapphires. So when I think sapphires, this is more what I like. This is a multicolor sapphire ring. Sapphire literally comes in every color from white to black. And I prefer sapphires that are not blue. Because normally, like I said, the blue ones that are within my price range are normally not great unless I save up for a piece. So this one has a nice range of colors, and I like the blue stone in this ring, so I bought this one. This one was a gift. Now this is a blue sapphire that I really like. I like the shade of blue. So when it comes to natural sapphires, I prefer a lighter blue. I don't really like the blue that's like the Princess Diana ring. Yeah, like I don't like that ring. I prefer lighter blues. I think they complement my skin tone better, and I just think they look prettier. But you'll see variety in my collection. So here I have some multi-sapphire studs. If I'm not mistaken, these came from JTV. I actually have not worn them yet. I shoved them in my jewelry box. You will see other pieces to match. So I really, I love these. Like, this is my vibe when it comes to sapphires. I am definitely a multi-sapphire girl. I love colored sapphires that are like not necessarily blue. So here's a necklace, and this necklace has a matching ring. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you like sapphires. And happy belated birthday to all the September babies and Virgos. I hope you had a wonderful birthday. And let me know what you think of your birthstone. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? So here's the matching ring, and it's pretty. I do wear this set pretty often when I want a blue gemstone. It's just that there's so many other blue gemstones out there, and for the price, you can normally get bigger and better than going with sapphire. So here's another pair. These are just raw Opeg sapphires. They're not the best quality. This is along the lines of the more inexpensive quality, but some people really like this. Like, they're not super dressy. It's more casual. Sapphire is definitely more casual when it's Opeg. Here is a sapphire two-tone cross. This was a gift from my grandmother. Again, since my birthstone's sapphire, people tend to want to give me sapphires. And it's so funny because when I choose my own gift, I don't pick sapphires. Like, I just got a gift for my birthday, and it's actually garnet. Now, this I bought, which I'm sure you guys can tell I love it. Now, this was expensive. It's a pink sapphire set in rose gold. Again, I just don't find myself gravitating towards the blue sapphires, because normally the ones that I like are normally like the price of a car. And I have a few, but not that many. Here are their matching earrings. Again, I don't wear this stuff often. I really don't. I probably should wear it, but I don't. This stays in a locked jewelry box. And again, I think sapphire set in rose gold is really, really pretty. You don't see it often, but I think it's really pretty. I think pink sapphires are probably my favorites, but here we have some studs. And again, this is typical, this midnight inky blue. Like, I think is the most common, and again, not my favorite, but it pairs well with like navy blue clothing, or like neutrals, or like patriotic holidays. This stuff works. Now, these are some sapphire earrings that have some translucency. They're little mini cabochons. I actually wore these the other day. They're really, really, really pretty, and they're really pretty when the sunlight hits them. I love translucent sapphires. The opaque ones are not my jam, but people keep giving them to me because it's what people can afford. Now, these I love. These are sapphire hoops, and the camera is not doing them justice. They're actually quite big. They're like the size of an Oreo. And these are genuine sapphires. But see, this is what I like. Like, I like transparency, and I like rich color. Like, when it comes to a sapphire. Like, if I'm going to do a sapphire, I want color. But here we go. Here's more of the midnight blue. And some people really, really love it. This is white gold. Most of my sapphires are in gold. So you'll see white gold, rose gold, and yellow gold in this video. There's a few pieces in silver, but this is white gold. And again, this is more common, typical inky blue. This piece is a multicolor line necklace. Very cute. I like pieces like this. You don't see them much anymore. A lot of my pieces are older. You don't really see these anymore. It's like the colored sapphires kind of disappeared. It's like really weird. It's almost like sapphire and period has kind of disappeared. It's getting the emerald treatment, Now, this is one of my favorites. I have not worn it yet, but as you can see, this is the shade of blue I like for a sapphire. It's a beautiful two-tone necklace. Look at those sapphires. They're like a cornflower blue. Instead of like a royal blue, they're beautiful, and I have the matching ring. So pretty. I wanted the matching earrings, but I couldn't get a hold of them. So hopefully one day I'll be able to get the matching earrings, but I love this set and have not worn it. Again, it's in like a special jewelry box, but I love these sapphires. I think they're so pretty. That's the kind of blue I really, really like. Not too dark, not too pale, just perfect. Now, this is a lab-grown sapphire. I just wanted to throw it in there because I feel like most people are going to have lab-growns at this point. So it's in silver. This is in sterling silver. So I'll have it forever. Never worn it, but it's a lab-grown. It's pretty. And I'll show you the matching earrings. These are set in sterling silver. They're lab-grown sapphires. So if you test them, they will test a sapphire. They're pretty. This is something that most people can find. Most people can find lab-grown sapphires. And this is the color most people want without wanting to spend a fortune. This is a ring I wear often. These are all sapphires. You see that blue one? Like, there's like shades of orange and pink and yellow. They're all sapphires. Even the white trim border, it looks like diamonds, but they're white sapphires. And it's just a beautiful ring. Was expensive, but worth it. So yeah, sapphire is a pretty expensive stone. Like, even if you're going lab grown, you're probably going to pay a couple $100. This is a cross. This is the only other cross I have that's sapphire. It's different because it's baguette cut. This piece is really old. I could say it's very well worn. I have worn this a lot. It's so old, I don't even remember where it came from. I just remember, I think I bought it at a store. Now this is a treasure, you guys. This one's a treasure. Again, marquee cut. This one, it was the color of these stones, I think, is fantastic. Not too dark, not too pale, just right. For me, sapphires have to be just right for me to gravitate towards them. Let me know if you feel the same way in the comment section. This one also was expensive. This is a sapphire. Again, I love the color of this one. It's just perfect. nice big stone. It's juicy. Like, I like when you can tell that they're blue, you know, not when you're like, is it black? Is it gray? Is it, you know, I like, if I'm going to get a blue sapphire, I want it to be blue, you know. Here's another ring. This one's also in white gold. This one is in, I think, 10 karat white gold. And I find the marquee cuts bring out the colors of the sapphire better. Now, these are small, little itty-bitty sapphires, but look at the colors. So it's like, if I'm going to go for blue, I really want blue. Now, see, here's another one. This is in gold as well, and this is a midnight blue. Now, honestly, I wear this ring with black because it's so dark blue. It's like an ink color. You can't even tell it's blue unless, like, the sun is directly shining on it. You can't even tell it's blue. But again, some people really like this type of vibe, and it's very common. So, oh my god, these are the first piece of birthstone jewelry I ever bought for myself. These earrings, these are in white gold. And because you know what, back in the day, like sapphires, it seems like people love to put them in white gold. It was hard for me to find pieces in yellow gold. But these are the first birthstone earrings I ever bought myself, and I think I was like 16, 17, and I saved up for them because they were expensive. Now, here we go. This ring here, all marquee pink sapphires. I love it. But girls, I wore this and one of the sapphires fell out and I had a heart attack because I cannot replace them. I found the stone and was able to pop it back in. So now it just sits in a jewelry box and I don't wear it. Has that happened to you? Leave it below if this has happened to you. This is another beauty, pink sapphire. I love pink sapphires. This is a ring set, so it's two separate rings, but they were made to go together. And it's just this beautiful bubblegum pink. Now, this is not the cleanest stone, but I like it. I feel like it has character. Like, the stones just called out to me. I saw this ring and had to have it. Like, I tried it on and was like, it's just so pretty. Beautiful. Here is a pink sapphire necklace with diamonds. And again, the quality on this one, it wasn't cheap. It's so pretty. Like, it's seriously like a bubblegum pink. Absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, I have a set of 3 sapphire bands, which you're seeing 2 right now. I'll show you the third. Blue, pink, and then you'll see the yellow one. These are in gold. They're in gold, and they came from Zales, and they were purchased over 20 years ago. So you can wear them separately, or you can wear them together, as seen here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching Glamazons. Up next is October. Warning, I don't like opals, so that'll be a short video, but stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching Glamazons. Bye. Bonus footage, how could I forget the star sapphire? Thank goodness I reviewed this video before posting it. Yeah, so this is my only star sapphire. So it's opaque, and when the light hits it at the right spot, you see a star. This is another type of sapphire that people really love, and it's expensive, and this is why it's my only one. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. Tell me what you think about sapphires. Bye, Glamazons.